Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Clapper. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about the application of Clapper and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Clapper app like this. And then here you will search about it and you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.